Day 5, Redwood Rally, the final day. I think Jeebus, this is rough. It's basically driving 5+ hours almost every day. Unload, wait for your class, mega pass, reload, get on the road, try to get some sleep, and then do it all over again, 5 days straight. It's rough, definitely harder than what it looks, but it's definitely worth the experience. So we're all loaded up, heading to Dutch Bros, because there's Dutch Bros at every corner over here. And then we're heading to the track, and we'll see where 3-pedal is going to be at today. But it's definitely going to be a one and done, and I just want my sticker. It's definitely worth it. So I already got my list going of what to do for next year. Car's gonna get torn apart the next like 2 weeks. Do a cage, 2 front end, new engine combo, still staying with stick shift. So let's get to it. Here's another cool truck that's leaving the parking lot. Little intercooler on it. So a few other people straggling. This car actually did, I think it's this car. Yeah, they did a engine swap in Woodburn. It's a Coyote engine. The truck that was actually parked next to me actually had the other engine that blew up. So that guy's still competing, which is nuts to do an engine swap. And then there was a light blue Camaro in the Limited that I think it torched ahead. They got it repaired, got it redecked, and it looks like it broke some ringlings. So that guy's out, but this guy was having some issues last night, so let's see what today brings. Pedals in the lanes. This will be my one and done pass, and I can say I completed Redwood Rally. So the tailgate class is coming up also. Famous little cameo here, Miss Midnight Maverick. See Inubo Racing guys right here. I think actually he's second in the 3-pedal. So the Z just broke. Pretty cool setup. So almost done. Almost done. We've completed Redwood Rally. I just made my final pass. Now I just have to go back to the pit, turn my time slip in, and I'm done. Now to get ready for next year. Definitely worth the experience, worth every penny for that $1.50 sticker. So I can't wait. Can't wait for next year. New combo. Still stick shift. Just need to go faster so I can be a little bit more competitive, but I think I am about midfield right now. I think last I checked this morning, I was like 13 out of 30 cars. So that's the first place guy right there making a pass. I think it's like a mid 5-second 8th mile car, but we did it. Now to relax. trailer. Farewell. You made it 2 Dragon Drives. Now it's on to its new owner. It was fun. Now time for a bigger trailer. So if anybody has a Wells Cargo or Sundowner Minigo with a lift up top, please let me know. 4x6. I will drive anywhere on the West Coast for it. And just like that, Redwood Rally 2025 comes to an end. Car's back on the trailer, on its own power. Now the upgrades begin. So, head back to the hotel, and then we'll be on the road in the morning. But yeah, went from a packed track on day 0 and day 1 to nothing. So last few people are getting out of here, but definitely looking forward to Redwood for 2026.